Want to save up to 11,909 on the Agency Growth 12-month plan? Watch this full video and I'll show you step by step how to apply the discount and get the offer.
Hey everyone, let's take a quick look at Hostinger's growth plan before applying any coupons. Right now, if you choose the 12-month plan directly on Hostinger's website, it costs 70,785 rupees. That's the regular price most people see. But here's something special. When you visit my website, you'll find a redeem discount button. This link takes you straight to Hostinger's checkout page and automatically applies my exclusive affiliate discount. Now, let's click Get Discount. Now, opens Hostinger again and watch closely as the price updates instantly. The same growth plan is now available for 56,628 rupees. That's an extra 11,997 rupees. Saved, no manual steps, just instant savings. So, whenever you plan to buy hosting from Hostinger, make sure to start from my website to grab this exclusive offer. The link is in the description and pinned comment below. Enjoy your discount and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deals.